friends, welcome to Gardening Escape. This is Sarup, your gardener friend. Everyone loves roses, and being a gardener, I love to grow them too. There's variety of roses to choose for your garden, like hybrid tea, grandiflora, floribunda, and miniature. But today, I will talk about how to grow climbing roses in pots. With proper care and some patience, you can get huge number of blooms on them. Let's get started. This is a climbing crimson glory I grafted 2 months back. I will use it to demonstrate the planting process. First, you need a head start. That's why a loose, fluffy and well-draining soil is so important. Take 3 parts of normal garden soil, 1 part river sand and 6 parts of worm castings. Mix them together. You can use cow manure or horse manure, but make sure it's well decomposed. Be careful about the manures. If not well decomposed, it may easily burn the roots of the roses. Roses love pH level around 6 to 6.5. I prefer mixing half teaspoonful of calcium carbonate or chalk powder to control the pH issue. Use 1 teaspoonful of single superphosphate and micronutrient mix each for 6-inch pot. This really gives roses a jump start for better root growth. Once this is done, mix the soil again. You will have perfect potting soil for your roses, rich with nutrients and well draining in nature. In pots, we have to replicate the layers of soil just like our ground soil. Always check for the drain hole at the bottom of the pot. First, place some broken pieces of clay pots to stop drain out of potting soil. Place a handful of small pebbles and a handful of sand on top of it. Now press the layers gently so that there are no air pockets left. You can tap the pot in the ground 2-3 times, grabbing with both hands. Now the most crucial part is planting. Carefully take the plant and place fingers around the stem where it's grafted. Turn it upside down and gently shake while pulling away the pouch. You can simply cut it with a blade or knife. Remove the rice husk around the root ball without damaging the roots. After removing rice husk around the root ball, position the plant at the center of the pot, keeping the graft portion slightly above the soil. Pour potting soil around the root ball and press it down really carefully. Firmness of potting soil around the roots is necessary. Water the pot thoroughly until it starts dripping out from the bottom. Once it's done, Place the potted rose in partial shade to reduce the chances of wilting. We will start fertilizing with high phosphate and medium nitrogen rich NPK after 20 days of planting. Check out the description box below for more details about climbing roses better suited for hot Indian climate. Comment below about your queries, and if you like the video, press the like button. For regular updates, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. This is your gardener friend Sarup signing off.